the best website hosting for small businesses. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are delving deep into the world of web hosting for small businesses. Whether you are just starting or looking to switch providers, this 20-minute video will give you an in-depth look at the 5 of the best options out there. Let's begin with Bluehost. So Bluehost is our first website. Bluehost is a hosting provider that is trusted by millions. Bluehost's user-friendliness is one of its astounding features. For beginners, they offer a simplified control panel that streamlines website management. The one-click WordPress installation feature is a game changer and making it incredibly easy to get started. So advantages for Bluehost includes one-click WordPress installation, competitive pricing and frequent discounts. And it also includes reliable customer support that is available 24/7 and a strong uptime performance and all these things. So in the advantages you get a lot of things. Basically the user-friendly control panel for beginners. So the control panel for web hosting on your Bluehost will be very user-friendly and even a beginner can also use the panel for Bluehosting. And the second advantage is one-click WordPress installation. So you get the WordPress installation in just one click on this Bluehost website. The competitive pricing and frequent discounts are the best advantage that you can get. So Bluehost offers very competitive pricing as they offer very low pricing due to the competition in the market of web hosting, and they also give out frequent discounts. So here we can see that right now at the time of recording this video, we are getting 60% off on the online store option. So Bluehost always give out the best discounts available in the market, and these are the basic pricing and plans for the Bluehost. So we get the basic plan for one blog or site and it's $2.95 a month. So normally it starts at $10.99, but Bluehost gives us this offer at $2.95 per month. And in the Choice Plus, you get added a privacy and security feature with $5.45 a month. The online store option, and that you get at $9.95 a month. In the Pro version, you get more power with optimized web resources, and it is at $13.95 a month. So normally it starts at $28, but they are giving this offer at $13.95 a month. And these are all the features that you'll be getting with these. So in the hosting for basic plan, we get one website, 10 GB SSD storage, and custom WP themes. In the Choice Plus, you get a bunch more options such as 3 websites, 40 GB SSD storage, free CDN, free domain for first year, and in the website you always get the custom WP themes and these extra security features in the Choice Plus plan. And in the online store, every one of these features is the same as the Choice plan, but there are a bunch of things that has been added in this plan, such as in the website option you get exclusive store themes, store analytics, and extra e-commerce worth of $450 plugin. So you get e-commerce features that is $450 worth of plugins, and it will be included free in this online store option. So it will be the best option to choose if you are interested in e-commerce. And this one is a Pro, and we get all these features. In the Pro, it's as normal as usual. So these were the basic plans and pricing for Bluehost, and Bluehost also offers a very reliable customer support that is available 24/7. So the customer support on Bluehost is very good. It is available 24/7. We can see right here we get the contact option. If you want to call them regarding sales, support or international, you can select that number and call from your mobile, or you also get the option to chat with them through the message option. So if we click here, we'll get to chat them with message option, and in the call us section you get the number for their sales, support and international. So their support is very good and reliable. And this is the basic site for Bluehosting. We get the option for WordPress, and in the WordPress we get website and online store, WordPress hosting, WooCommerce. In the hosting we get shared hosting, dedicated hosting and VPS hosting. In the domains we get to connect our domains, and in the email you can add email services and email marketing. In the Pro services you get website design, digital marketing and Pro design live support. In the resources you get an academy at Bluehost, a blog, event and webinars that is being hosted by the Bluehost community, and a knowledge base if you want to access it. So the pricing I've shown you already. So I've already shown you the pricings. That was the $2, $4, $5 and $13. And if you want to compare all these plans, you just click on pricing and get to compare these plans according to your need. So these were all the basic features and plans and information related to Blue Hosting, and it is a very good option if you are into web hosting industry. But there are some minor disadvantages associated with Bluehost. The first one is renewal prices can be higher. Because they give excellent prices and discounts on their pricing, the renewal prices can be higher than the previous one. And basic plans may have limitations for larger website. So if you choose a basic plan for web hosting on Bluehost, it will be most of the time have limitations on larger websites. But apart from these two disadvantages, Bluehost is an excellent tool to use for your web hosting. And in order to get started, you can type in a domain name here and search if it's available or not. So if Bluehost suits you, come to Bluehost and see if your domain name is available or not, and start designing your hosting services and web services using Bluehost. Now moving on to the second web hosting services, we have SiteGround. So this is SiteGround. SiteGround is a hosting provider known for its exceptional customer support and also for their top tier security. So SiteGround's customer service is often rated as the best in the industry. They offer quick response times and assistance with any hosting related issues. So if you want the best and top tier security in the market, you always come to SiteGround because they are always known for their customer support and top tier security. So if you want to enjoy a top tier security for your web hostings, you can always get to SiteGround, and the advantages for SiteGround includes exceptional customer support, fast loading times thanks to data centers on the 3 continents. So SiteGround has a lot of data centers across 3 continents on the map, and they also offer robust security features including free SSL certifications. So they will give you SSL certifications, and it's a free one if you want to host your website using SiteGround, and it is also officially recommended by WordPress. So WordPress recommends using SiteGround as a web hosting services because they are very reliable and they give the best security options. And with this, we'll move on to the pricing for SiteGround. So this is the basic pricing for SiteGround. We can see right here the WordPress hosting plans for SiteGround. So if you want to start up and save 77%, you get $3.99 a month. If you want to grow big, you will have to spend $6.69 a month. If you want to go geek, you will have $10.69 a month. So you get discounted from $17 to $3 in the startup plan. You get discounted from $29 to $6 in the grow big plan. You get discounted from $44 to $10 in the go geek plan. If you want any one of these plans, you can just click on get plan and it will be easily activated after the payment for your web hosting services. So you get all these features in all these 3 plans. It's a lot of features compared to other website, and in the starter plan you get all these features, and with the grow big plan you get these 3 features increased, and these are on-demand backup copies, 30% faster PHP and staging services. And in the Go Geek plan, you get these much added features. So the first one is on-demand backup copies, 30% faster PHPs, staging and gift, white label clients, free private DNS, highest tier of resources, and priority support. And if you want to compare these plans, you can click on compare WordPress plans. You can choose from which fields you prefer and see what they offer and compare these plans and buy one according to our needs. And on their user interface, they offer us hosting, technology, about us, and affiliate option. In the hosting, you get web hosting, WordPress hosting, WooCommerce hosting, cloud hosting, and reseller hosting. In the technology option, you get technology and data centers for their SiteGround. In the About Us option, you get to see the company's About Us, you get support, and it is a top rated hosting support. So as I've already said, they have the top rated hosting support all over the market. And in the client section, you get the clients option, reviews, and feedback on our hosting. And in the blog, you stay updated with the latest news. In the affiliate section, you can click on affiliate and see their affiliates and see what affiliates you can add to your web hosting. So this was all about the basic SiteGround experiences, and in the disadvantages for SiteGround, it just includes slightly higher pricing compared to some competitors. So they offer these services at just a slight high prices than other competitors. So if your budget is tight, you will have to choose another option. It is a little bit costlier than other web hosting services. And the second disadvantage is limited storage on lower tier plans. So you get very limited storage on lower tier plans. So these were all the disadvantages. It's very few, just 2. And this was all about the basic SiteGround experience and their web hosting. Now moving on to our third site, it is HostGator. So this is HostGator, a popular choice for small businesses looking for budget-friendly hosting. So if you are a small business and you're looking for a budget-friendly hosting, you can always come to HostGator. HostGator's plans are straightforward and affordable, making it accessible to startups and small businesses on a tight budget. The 40-day money-back guarantee offers peace of mind. So HostGator also offers a 45-day money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied with their services and if you want your money back, you can always request them for your money back after 45 days. And it is also budget friendly for small businesses. The advantages for HostGator includes budget friendly hosting options that I've said, user friendly control panel for beginners, variety of hosting services including shared, VPS and dedicated servers, and also a generous 45-day money-back guarantee. And one more advantages for HostGator is good uptime performance. So you also get a very good uptime performance on HostGator. And right here we can view the plans for HostGator. So the basic plan for Hatchling plan includes single website, 10 GB disk space, unmetered bandwidth, one-click WordPress install, email included, chat support and first year domain free. And you get 68% off on the Hatchling plan. And it is at $2.52 a month. So this is the introductory offer, that is $2.52 per month, and it is also recommended by them. You get 76% off. Here you can get up to 5 websites, 40 GB disk space, unmetered bandwidth, one-click WordPress install, email included, phone and chat support, first year domain free, and an added $500 Google ad spend match credit. And you also get a $100 Microsoft advertising credit. So this was all about the baby plan. It is placed at $3.5 per month. And if you want the e-commerce plan, if you are into e-commerce, you can always select this plan. It offers 72% off and all the features are same as baby plan, but it also includes Cloudflare CDN, dedicated IP address, positive SSL upgrade, SEO tools, and professional website migration services. And it is placed at $4.67 per month. So the e-commerce plan is priced at $4.67 per month, and it is an special e-commerce price for web hosting on HostGator. So this was HostGator, and their disadvantages include some users report slower customer support and response time. So in the web hosting industry, HostGator has this one problem that their customer support is usually slow, and this has been reported by some users. So if you are facing any problems related to your website or website hosting, their customer support could be slower at times, and their response time is also longer. So choose wisely. If you're into small businesses and want a budget-friendly hosting site, you can always choose HostGator. So this was all about HostGator. Now moving on to our next web hosting site, that is DreamHost, a hosting provider known for its commitment to sustainability, reliable hosting options. DreamHost's unlimited bandwidth and storage are attractive features, making it an ideal choice for growing businesses. So the advantages for DreamHost includes commitment to sustainability, unlimited bandwidth and storage, excellent uptime performance, custom control panel for easy website management, WordPress friendly hosting. So this was all about the advantages. You get commitment to sustainability, and the bandwidth and storage capacity will be unlimited. So it is also a great thing that we get unlimited storage and bandwidth. You get excellent uptime performance, custom control panel for easy website management. So you also get a custom control panel if you want to easily manage your website without any hassle, you get that. And it is also a WordPress friendly hosting. So this was all about the advantages and the basic information for DreamHost. Now coming to the plans and pricing, we have WordPress hosting is starting at $2.59 per month. We have website hosting is starting at $2.59 per month. So these are the same options. If you want website hosting or WordPress hosting, you get both at the same price. If you want a .com domain name, you get it at $8.99 per month. If you want a free WordPress migration, you can select it and you get it for free. So if you want to find your perfect domain name, you can always come here and search for your domain name if it's available or not. And if you want to see their hosting plans, you can click on see hosting plans and we'll see here that we get shared, DreamPress and VPS. So the sharing plan starts at $2.95 per month. It includes all these features you can see right here. These are the basic features that a web hosting provides. And in the DreamPress plan, it starts at $16.95 per month. And this includes all the plans and features that is being embedded in the shared plan, just with added features for free professional WordPress migration, on-demand backup and one-click restore. So you get these features added in the Dream Pass. And in the VPS plan, you get 1 GB basic. So it starts at $13.75 per month. And it also contains all the basic plans that is being included in all these areas. And with that, you get unlimited websites. So you get unlimited websites in the VPS plan. You get to add domains very easily. And it contains unlimited traffic. It has unmetered bandwidth. You get 30 GB SSD storage and one-click install WordPress. You also get the free SSL certificate with this plan, unlimited email and 24/7 customer support. So you get the shared at $2.95, you get Dream Pass at $16, you get VPS and $13. And after seeing all these plans and choosing a plan, we'll get to see their website. So this is the WordPress. If you come over WordPress, you get the option for WordPress Basic, Dream Pass and WooCommerce hosting. In the hosting option, you get to share a website hosting, you get VPS hosting, managed WordPress hosting, dedicated server hosting, cloud hosting. In the website, you get WP website builder, you get custom website design. In the domains, you can find the best domains. In the email, you get email hosting at $1.67 per month, and you also get Google Workspace that can be used to work together from anywhere. And it starts at $7.20 per month per user. And you get the pro services for these amounts right here. You can start design services at $1,499. So you get a polished professional website to reflect your vision at an affordable price in the design services. In the market services, you can help your customers find your site with SEO, social media and more. And it starts at $399. In the website management services, you can hire DreamHost web experts to maintain your web software and handle the backend easily, and it starts at $59 per month. In the custom web development services, if you want any kind of help with your site, you can start this at $89 per hour and just put in a request and they will take it from there. So you get all these pro services at these prices. You can view them right here, and in the blog section you can also connect to the blog of this DreamHost hosting community and get to know more information about Dream Hosting. So with this, it also comes with a little bit of disadvantages such as no phone support available. So there are no phone support available on DreamHost, and pricing can be slightly higher than some competitors. So the pricing right here, we can already see that it is higher than the previous competitors, and this is also a disadvantage, but not a very big one. So you can always choose it according to your budget. So now coming down to our last, but certainly not the least, we have A2 Hosting, known for its exceptional speed and performance. So A2 Hosting provides exceptional speed in web hosting, and the performance is excellent in the web hosting industry. A2 Hosting uses SSD storage. So A2 Hosting always provides SSD storage for your website, light speed cache, and offers server locations worldwide to ensure lightning fast loading times. So it also offers server locations worldwide. It has its servers available all over the world, ensuring a lightning fast loading time. And their advantages includes outstanding speed and performance, SSD storage for faster data retrieval, light speed cache for improved website speed, and it also provides a wide range of hosting solutions including shared, VPS and dedicated. We get shared hosting, managed WordPress hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated server hosting, reseller hosting, email hosting, turbo hosting and cPanel hosting. These are all the hosting features that is provided by A2 Hosting, and they provide hosting for every of the solutions. So for example, if you're into business hosting, e-commerce hosting, agency hosting, blog hosting, LMS hosting, non-profit web hosting, personal website hosting. You get these plans included in your A2 hosting. And if you want to see the pricing for A2 hosting, you can see right here that the shared hosting starts at $2.99 per month. The WordPress hosting starts at $11.99 per month. The VPS hosting includes $39 per month. The dedicated hosting starts at $155 per month. So the shared hosting is great for those who are just getting started with their website and looking to stay within on a budget. So if your budget is very tight and if you are starting your web hosting services, you will always choose shared hosting. So if you're a beginner and if you're a budget tight, choose shared hosting. And the WordPress hosting is great for first-time site creators. Additional WordPress tools allow you to get a professional looking site, and it also runs very quickly. And it starts at $11 per month. And the VPS hosting gives you the ability to control and scale your resources to provide the ideal hosting plan to grow with your needs. And you get the VPS hosting at $39 per month. This is basically $40 per month. It's $39.99, and you can save 48% with a 36-month term plan. When you need the highest level of power and performance for your website, you always choose dedicated hosting. So if you're an expert in web hosting and you want a dedicated hosting for your web hosting services and you want a high level power and performance for your website, you always choose dedicated hosting. And it starts at $115.99 per month. That is basically $160 per month, and you can save 37% with 24-month term plan. With this, it includes a little bit disadvantage, and the disadvantages are very minor, such as limited introductory discounts, so they don't give a very good discounts in competition to their other competitors, and it is not a beginner friendly as some other providers. So you have to have some knowledge in web hosting in order to start A2 hosting. It is not a very beginner friendly site. So this was all about A2 hosting. You can choose A2 hosting too. And now after finishing all the websites, we will come down to comparison. So now let's compare these hosting providers across several crucial factors. So in terms of pricing, Bluehost and HostGator offers budget-friendly options. So make sure if you are budget tight and you want a budget-friendly web hosting service, you always choose Bluehost or HostGator, as they are the best budget-friendly options, while SiteGround and A2 hosting are slightly pricier, but often offer superior performance than these two websites. In terms of pricing, Bluehost and HostGator is the best platform out there. And in terms of performance, A2 hosting leads our way. A2 hosting leads in speed, performance, followed by SiteGround. So if you want speed and performance for your website, you always choose A2 hosting, and the second option is SiteGround. So these two websites provide the best speed and performance in terms of web hosting, and Bluehost also comes at the third number in terms of speed and performance. So this comes at the third number if we see in the terms of speed and performance. And DreamHost also offers excellent uptime. So if you want excellent uptime for your web hosting services, you always choose DreamHost. So if you want a 24/7 customer support, SiteGround and Bluehost is the best options. In terms of features, Bluehost one-click WordPress installation and SiteGround's robust security and A2 hosting's speed optimizations are notable features. So basically in terms of one-click WordPress installation, Bluehost leads our way. In terms of robust security, SiteGround is at the top, and A2 hosting is best at speed optimizations and its notable features. So in terms of scalability, all 5 providers offers scalability options that are great for web hosting, allowing you to grow your hosting as your business expands. And in conclusion, the best hosting provider for your small business depends on your specific needs and budget. So Bluehost, SiteGround, HostGator, DreamHost, and A2 hosting each offers unique advantages. Assess your priorities and choose wisely. And choose one that best aligns with your business goals. And with this, we hope this comprehensive comparison has been helpful in your quest to find the perfect hosting provider. If you found this video informative, Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech related content and tutorial videos. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.